guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chuy Velazquillo. And today we're going to learn how to make a screwdriver. If you guys don't know how to do it, here's how it works. I'm not a bartender, so don't sue me. So, first we're going to open the bottle. It's freaking freezing. So we're going to open it. We're going to open this bitch. One shot of Smirnoff citrus. That's how the label looks. Put that bitch in here. And then, you know what? It's fine. You just moved my freaking video. Oh my, forget that. Nobody saw that movie. Oh. That's why you can't have your best friend behind there. No, it's fine. We're going to leave it because they need to see how we fuck up. And here's mine. That's my drink. And here's my juice. Okay, maybe a little bit more. And that's how you make a screwdriver. Okay, maybe more. That was pretty rough. Okay. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Follow me. And I'm also on Instagram. Run Chuy. Simple. So, yeah, do it. And again, oh my god, my fucking best friend's like dogging the fuck out of me. Because apparently she's like a YouTube creator and she thinks she's better than me. But you know what? Suck her ass.